Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we are going to show you how to convert a PNG image to a vector using Adobe Photoshop. This can be incredibly useful for scaling your graphics without losing quality. But before we dive into all of it, make sure to hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Alright, so converting a PNG to a vector in Photoshop can be useful for a lot of reasons. Number one, vectors are resolution independent, which means they can be resized without any loss of quality. And it's important if you need to use the image at the various sizes, such as for print and digital media, right? So let's hover now to Photoshop. Okay, right here. Vector files are composed of paths and shapes that can easily manipulate and edit. And this makes it easier to modify the image, change colors, and adjust shapes. Alright, so here, I'm on the image itself. If you are using Mac and with Windows, all you gotta do is hold and press Control and then click on the image right here. You'll see that the image has been selected by like a dots here. Okay, so it means it's on an active mode, right? And then what you're gonna do is go here at the rectangular marquee tool, click on it, and then right click, make a work path. All right. So for tolerance, it depends on your preference, but for now, let's leave it on 1. You can use it 2, but for now, I'm gonna use it for 1.0. All right. So when you click OK, converting a PNG to a vector can help smooth out, jagged edges and create clean, crisp lines, which is beneficial for creating professional and polished graphics. After that, you might want to go here in the arrow selection tool. There's a 2 options here. It's path selection tool and direct selection tool. You might want to choose the second one, second option, right? And once you've done that, all right, just click enter, all right? And once you've clicked enter, when you resize the image, right, when you resize, it's not losing quality right here. See one? So vectors can be output in various file formats, making it easier to use an image in different applications, for web design or printed materials. And that's how you convert PNG to a vector in Photoshop. Just save it to a PSD file, and it's up to you on how to use it. Keep in mind that the quality of your vector conversion depends on your skills and the complexity of the original PNG file. All right. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.